In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Udemy affiliate program. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the Udemy affiliate program page. This will take you to Udemy's affiliate information, where you can learn about the benefits and requirements before applying. Look for the Join Now button that is prominently displayed on that page and click it to begin your application. You will be redirected to the impact.com sign-up flow, which manages Udemy's affiliate partnerships. On that page, click Sign Up to start the registration process. There may be a couple of screens that also ask you to press Sign Up again to confirm you want to proceed, so follow those prompts until you reach the contract preview. When you arrive at the contract terms for Udemy, read through the agreement carefully. Then click the checkbox to indicate you accept the terms and click Continue. Taking a moment to scan the key points now will save you confusion later, especially around rules for promotion and commission structures. Next, you'll be prompted to select an account type. Choose the option that best describes how you plan to promote Udemy courses, whether as an individual creator or representing a business. If you prefer to sign in with Google, pick the Google option and click your account when the account chooser appears. Using Google can speed up the process by pre-filling basic profile information. If you opt for manual sign-up instead, fill out your personal information accurately. Include your full name and contact details, and be thorough when describing your online presence. Provide links to the blog, website, YouTube channel, newsletter, or social media profiles where you will share course links. Clear, honest answers help reviewers understand how you'll promote the courses. Once your application is complete, submit it and wait for Udemy to review. The review sometimes takes time, so be patient and watch your email inbox and spam folder for their response. After approval, you will gain access to promotional materials and can start earning commissions by sharing your affiliate links. A final tip: prepare your promotional channels ahead of time and keep documentation of where you'll share links. This makes the application smoother and positions you to start promoting as soon as you're approved. Good luck, and remember to follow Udemy's promotional guidelines once you're part of the program.